Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best shark vacuums available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for something lightweight, cordless, or perfect for pet owners, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at rank number 5, we have the Rocket Ultralight Corded Bagless Vacuum, the most budget-friendly option on this list. Priced at just $174, this vacuum is designed for versatility and convenience. Weighing under 9 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and can easily convert into a handheld vacuum for cleaning areas like stairs, upholstery, and even ceiling corners. The swivel steering is great for maneuvering around tight spaces, and the fingertip controls make switching between carpets and hard floors seamless. Design-wise, the HV301 is compact and easy to store, with a hook at the base for hanging the handheld unit. While it has a smaller dust cup capacity of 0.31 quarts, emptying it is hassle-free with the Easy Empty mechanism. The included attachments, an upholstery tool, anti-allergen dust brush, and crevice tool ensure you can handle a variety of cleaning tasks. However, being corded means it might not be as convenient for quick spot cleaning or larger homes. If you're looking for a lightweight vacuum that doesn't compromise on performance and can handle multi-surface cleaning at an affordable price point, this is a solid choice. Its compact design makes it perfect for apartments or smaller spaces. The downside is that it lacks advanced features like LED headlights or a self-cleaning brush roll. But for the price, it delivers excellent value. Pros: lightweight, versatile cleaning tools, and affordable. Cons: small dust cup capacity and corded design. Coming in at rank number 3 is the Shark Pet Cordless Vacuum Cleaner IX141, priced at $299.99. This model offers the convenience of cordless freedom with a runtime of up to 40 minutes, making it ideal for quick cleanups or tackling messes in high-traffic areas. Its hypervelocity suction provides powerful performance, and the bristle brush roll works efficiently on both carpets and hard floors. The removable handheld vacuum adds versatility, allowing you to clean upholstery, stairs, and tight spaces with ease. One of the standout features is the LED headlights, which illuminate hidden debris, making cleaning more thorough. The vacuum also includes a pet multi-tool and crevice tool, making it well-suited for pet owners who need to tackle pet hair and dander. The low-profile design is excellent for reaching under furniture, and the Clean Touch dirt ejector ensures hands-free debris disposal. However, the dust cup capacity is only 0.34 quarts, so you might find yourself emptying it more frequently. If you're looking for a lightweight, cordless vacuum that excels in pet-friendly features and performs well on multiple surfaces, this is a great pick. The downside is the longer charging time of 240 minutes. But for smaller homes or quick cleaning sessions, it's hard to beat the convenience. Pros: cordless design, LED headlights, and versatile attachments. Cons: small dust cup and longer charging time. Finally, taking the top spot at rank number 1 is the Shark NV752 rotator-powered lift-away True Pet upright vacuum, priced at $349.99. This premium model is packed with features that deliver exceptional performance for pet owners and large households. The powered lift-away technology allows you to detach the pod for cleaning hard-to-reach areas while keeping the brush roll powered. Combined with advanced swivel steering, this vacuum offers unparalleled maneuverability. The NV752 boasts a HEPA filter with anti-allergen complete seal technology, trapping 99.9% of dust and allergens inside. It includes LED headlights to illuminate hidden debris, a self-cleaning pet power brush for stubborn pet hair, and versatile attachments like the upholstery tool and crevice tool. The large dust cup capacity of 0.88 quarts ensures extended cleaning sessions, and fingertip controls make switching between hard floors and carpets effortless. While it's the heaviest on this list at 15.4 pounds, the build quality and premium features make it worth the investment. If you're looking for a vacuum that checks all the boxes, strong suction, pet-friendly features, multi-surface cleaning, and advanced functionality, this is the one to beat. Pros: powered lift-away technology, pet-focused tools, and LED headlights. Cons: higher price point and heavier design. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best shark vacuum for your needs. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.